Hi everybody, welcome to Beauty by Rena. So today I will be reviewing some makeup made in collaboration with YouTubers and other makeup companies. The ones that I will be reviewing today are the It's My Ray Ray palette with BH Cosmetics, the Shayla and Colourpop collaboration with her loose highlight in the shade Boomin', and the Ellery Colourpop lip gloss. With all of these, I have gotten this look. Yes. So if you stay tuned for the rest of the video, you will see how I got this lovely eye look, you know, this contour and highlight, the glow with this nice lip. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I am coming at you with my baby hairs unlaid. Not yet, I'll lay them after makeup. I already moisturized my face with my Pond's lotion, which I showed in my acne routine video, my skincare routine video. And I have already did my eyebrows, I put my primer on. So the first thing that I'm going to be trying is the It's My Ray Ray eyeshadow palette to start my eye look. Going in with this blending brush. It is more fluffy, and I'm going to start with this in my crease to create that foundation for the eyeshadow look. I'm going to start up with the color Control Freak, which is this color right here. And I'm taking this blending brush. Basically, it's pretty much smaller than the one that I first went in. It's really good when you are building colors on your eyelid to start with a more fluffy brush, which is why I started with this brush, which is very different in the way that this one is. It is more spread out along the ends, which helps me add it as a base in my crease. This one is more so dome shape, so when I'm really trying to get in my crease, I can still show that color I originally put, but more concentrate the second color that I'm adding. Now underneath Control Freak, I'm going to go in with the color Friday. Okay, so we kind of lost the color, the first color that we added, so I'm just gonna go in, not add any more color on the first blending brush, and just blend it higher. So now you may sort of see the progression in the eyeshadow look. I am also going to take this blending brush, which is more of it is less dome shaped, it is more pointy so that it really works in your crease to blend out the color. And I'm also going to add it to the outer edges if you haven't noticed yet. I'm making a progression on my eyelids of color. I want to now deepen the crease, so I'm going to go in with the color Connie, which is this purple shade right there. Now I'm going to go in with this blending brush. It packs on more color because of how dense the brush is. It has a lot of bristles tightly packed together, and it has that kind of pointed shape so that it can really get in the crease to help you define it better. So I'm going to take that brush in Black Beauty. I'm going to go very light with it and really try to darken out the outer crease. So now that I have gotten my base on my eyelids, I'm going to cut my crease with some concealer. I will take the Maybelline Fit Me, I think this is. I don't know, this Maybelline concealer. I'm pretty sure it's the Fit Me concealer in the shade Honey. And just cut my crease. Okay, so I'm gonna try not to look up too high because I really don't want it to transfer way too much higher than it already has. I'm going to take this brush, just a random brush, and just pack on some setting powder so that it doesn't move and transfer. Okay, so now that we have our eyeshadow, you know, it's kind of a purpley smoky kind of look, I'm going to take, I'm pretty sure I'm going to take this color Fairy Tale and put it all over the lid. Now I'm going to go in the color Allison and just add that into my inner corners. Okay, so now that we have the eyeshadow look going, I'm going to add my eyeliner and some lashes off camera. Yeah. Then we're going to come back with a full face and I'll finish demonstrating the contour and the highlights. Okay, so I came back to you with eyeliner. Sorry about the background noise. I came back to you with some eyeliner and lashes. I highlighted, added foundation, I added some lashes and eyeliner. So now I am going to go into my Ray Ray palette, and I'm going to use the color Chai to set my under eye. I hope it's not, oh that rhymes, Chai to set my under eye. Wow, I am pleasantly surprised because look how bright that is and look how like smooth my under eye looks right now. That is beautiful. I mean, I was gonna give my review at the end, but like damn. Okay, so I'm going to take this Sonia Kashuk angled brush, which can be used to either contour or highlight, or apply blush. So I'm going to contour and go in with Mocha and just chisel out my cheeks. Okay, now that I have set my whole entire face, I'm going to go back with the under eye and just darken, not darken it, but like help it match the rest of my eye. I'm just gonna do the mixture between Fairy Tale and Connie because I don't want it too dark. Ray Ray has a couple of highlighting shades. So I have another highlighter that I'm reviewing, but I'm going to take one of her highlighters and just highlight my nose just to give you an idea of how, you know, I don't know, just so that I can use it a little bit more. So I'm gonna take Radiant, which is this middle kind of purplish gold shade, and just whoop. A little goes a long way, y'all. Do y'all see that? Ooh. Wow. 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 I'm gonna put it on my upper lip as well. Look at, what the hell? Look at that. Okay, next up on my YouTuber makeup collab list is Shayla and ColourPop. Now I only brought one thing, I know, but I just wanted to dibble and dabble. So I bought the loose highlighter. The loose highlighter, it looks like this, and it is in the shade Boomin', and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones and so I have also gotten the Ellery and ColourPop collab. I got her lip gloss, ultra glossy lip, in the shade Netta. Okay, so this is the final look. I have used some of my favorite YouTubers makeups to complete this makeup look today. I think it's great that they pair up with other brands to bring us affordable things that we can use on our everyday routine. It is my favorite thing that I have bought of like YouTube collab things. I don't usually buy makeup that YouTubers put out, but I am so glad that I bought this palette, because if you all see how I transform my look, like I got a dramatic look today, but if I really wanted to, I could have gone toned down. This is like an everyday palette that you can take with you everywhere. Like, it's literally the size of my hand, and it has contour and highlight shades for all different shades. I feel like everybody can highlight and contour with this, and it has such a diverse range of colors. I feel like everyone can use these colors here, like especially the brown tones, the red, purples, the black. Like, you can get so many looks out of this one palette. So this is like 10 out of 10 to me. Like, I really didn't expect for, first of all, the eyeshadow pigments were very pigmented. They were very loose. Like, if I dip my brush in it, it was a little, the powder flew away a little bit, but I didn't mind it because when I put it on my eyelids, you saw that I got pigment out of this. This Shayla Color Pop highlighter is really good. It's natural. It gives you that nice little glow when it catches a glimpse of the sun. As I stated before, it is in the color Boomin'. So definitely pick you this up if you want to be gleaming and glowing for the summer. And then I also use the Ellery Color Pop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Netta, and it has given me this nice little chocolate lip I'm loving. So yes, thank you all for watching my video where I review basically YouTuber makeup collabs, and I loved everything that I used today, and I'm definitely gonna go and purchase some more YouTuber collabs. But yes, thank you all for watching, and definitely make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love you all.